Amazon rainforest. Imagine a place teeming with life, painting the earth with vibrant shades of green. That's the Amazon rainforest. A realm of unparalleled biodiversity, the Amazon is the heart of our planet. It's the lungs that breathe life into our world. Yet, it's under threat. Deforestation, fires, climate change, our actions are endangering this precious gem. But it's not too late. We can make a difference. We can protect, preserve, and restore. Together, let's save the Amazon. Let's save our planet. Let's save ourselves. Remember, every action matters. Act now.